You ever checked your bank account the day before payday and thought, how is my money gone already? Or maybe this sounds familiar. You get paid. You feel rich for about 48 hours, and then suddenly you're stretching every dollar until the next paycheck hits. If that's you, don't worry. You are absolutely not alone. Most people today are stuck in the paycheck to paycheck cycle, not because they're irresponsible, but because nobody ever taught them how to break out of it. So in today's video, I'm giving you the exact step-by-step system anyone can follow to escape that cycle and finally start saving money and investing automatically. Not someday, not eventually, right now. If you want more simple, safe wealth-building lessons, hit like and subscribe. Let's break the cycle once and for all. Step 1. Get total awareness of your money. This is the step most people avoid. People think their problem is income, but the real problem is clarity. You cannot escape a system you can't see. Here's what happens to most people. Rent? It works out somehow. Groceries? Somehow. But they have no idea how much they spend on food subscriptions, takeout, coffee, convenience purchases, Amazon impulse buys. So step 1 is simple. Track everything for 30 days. Every dollar, every category. No judgment, just data. Once you see the truth, you instantly find the leaks. Awareness creates control. Control creates financial freedom. Step 2. Build a mini emergency buffer. Before you try saving thousands or investing heavily, you need a buffer. Something to catch you when life throws little surprises. This isn't your full emergency fund. This is your starter one. Your goal: save $500, $1,000 as fast as possible. Sell something you don't use. Take a weekend gig. Deliver for a few evenings. Cut 10–20% of non-essentials temporarily. Why does this matter? Because without a buffer, every small emergency becomes debt. A flat tire, credit card swipe. A broken phone, debt. A small problem becomes a setback that resets your progress every single month. That starter buffer is the first hammer swing breaking the paycheck cycle. Step 3. Automate your money. This is the most powerful step. The paycheck to paycheck cycle isn't just a math problem, it's a timing problem. Here's what happens. You get paid, money sits in checking. Your brain says, I have money, I can spend money. And boom, the cycle continues. Automation changes everything. Set automatic transfers for savings, emergency fund, investing, debt payments, bills. Your money should move before you ever see it. Automation removes temptation. When your money is automated, you start winning by default. This is the exact system wealthy people use. Step 4. Reduce your financial drag. There are two ways to improve your paycheck: increase income or reduce drag. Most people try budget harder, but the real breakthrough comes from removing friction. Examples: switch to a cheaper phone plan, negotiate car insurance, cook at home just 3 more times a week, pause unused subscriptions, drive less, reduce your largest bill by even 10%. You don't need to live like a monk, you just need margin, even 10–20%, and it makes to breathe. A little financial oxygen changes everything. Quick question for you. Where does the biggest chunk of your money disappear each month? Food? Subscriptions? Impulse buys? Comment below. You might help someone else realize they're not alone. Step 5. Use the snowball method for debt. Debt is the anchor that keeps you in the paycheck grind. To break free, you need momentum, and the snowball method gives you exactly that. Here's how. Pay minimums on everything. Pick your smallest debt. Throw all extra money at that one. When it's gone, roll that payment into the next and the next. This creates psychological wins. You feel progress. Progress becomes momentum. Momentum becomes consistency. Consistency kills the paycheck cycle. Yes, the avalanche method is mathematically better, but the snowball is emotionally better. And personal finance is mostly psychology. Step 6. Build your income power. You can only cut so much. There's a limit to saving, but there is no limit to how much you can earn. This is where most people finally escape the cycle. Ways to increase income. Ask for a raise with proof. Switch companies for higher pay. Start a weekend side hustle. Freelance with skills you already have. Pick up overtime or part-time hours. Sell items you never use. Learn a higher paying skill. Even an extra $200, $400 a month can completely break the cycle when used correctly. The moment your income rises but your lifestyle doesn't, you win. Step 7. Start investing, even small amounts. This step takes you from surviving to building. You don't break the paycheck cycle by saving only. You break it by building assets. Invest automatically every payday from your bank account. $50, $100, or whatever you can do consistently. Put it into an S&P 500 index fund, a total market fund, VFV or XEQT if you're in Canada, VOO, FXAIX, FSKX, or similar in the US. Small contributions grow quietly in the background. That growth becomes your breathing room. It becomes your safety net. It becomes the thing that finally replaces your paycheck. If you don't know how to invest safely in the stock market automatically, check out my other videos. Now, let's keep going. Step 8. Shift your identity around money. Breaking the paycheck cycle isn't only about math, it's about identity. People stuck in the cycle say, I'm bad with money. I can't get ahead. This is just how life is. People who break out say, I control where my money goes. I build systems. I improve my habits. I take small steps every week. You don't need perfection. You just need belief. Once you believe you can change, your behavior follows. Step 9. Update your system as you grow. Many people automate once and never touch it again. Break the cycle forever by adjusting your plan as life changes. You get a raise, increase savings. You pay off a debt, redirect that payment into investing. You cut an expense, add that freed up money to your future. This is how you move from, I'm trying to break the cycle, to, I'll never fall into the cycle again. Breaking the paycheck to paycheck cycle doesn't happen by accident. It happens by design. The moment you take control, even a little, the entire direction of your life changes. Track your spending, build your starter buffer, automate your money, reduce friction, attack your debts, grow your income. Start investing early. Follow this system for 90 days and your stress goes down. Follow it for 12 months and your bank account transforms. Follow it for 3 to 5 years and you'll be financially unrecognizable compared to where you started. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and check out my other video where I show the exact routine I use every time I get paid to build wealth safely and predictably.
Your financial freedom starts today.
Most people invest their money completely backwards.